Hello students. So today we will study about gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. We can divide this term into two parts. Gameto and genesis. Genesis means formation. Genesis means formation. And the word gameto comes from gametes. So what is this process? It is the process of formation of gametes in the gonads, that is the testes and the ovaries. Testes or ovaries are gametes, that is sperms and ovum keneke produce hoy. Hey process to ki buli koa hoy gametogenesis. This process is of two types: spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis, the word spermato is related to sperms. So this is the process by which male gametes or sperms are produced in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. Testes or ভিতৰত sperm produce हुआ process to spermatogenesis বুলি কয়. And similarly oogenesis, O refers to the word ovum. So it is the process of formation of ovum in the ovaries. We will study both this process one by one. First, spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. The process of spermatogenesis can be studied under two heads: formation of spermatid, and number two is spermiogenesis. এই গোটেই প্ৰচেছটো আমি দুটা ভাগত ভগাই ল'ব পাৰোঁ, that is formation of spermatids and spermiogenesis. Now কি হয় প্ৰচেছটো এবাৰ চাওঁ. Suppose this is a germinal epithelium. কি হয় এটো? আমি seminiferous tubule যদি cross section চাওঁ. Suppose this is a cross section of the seminiferous tubule. As I told you earlier that this seminiferous inner lining of the seminiferous tubule is lined with some cells. Some are round and some are elongated. These cells are the germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium means the epithelial cells which gives rise to the germ cells. Epithelial cells যেগুলোর germ cells হবে, তার মানে these are the cells যার পৰা sperms produce হবে, and these elongated cells are called Sertoli cells. These cells are called Sertoli cells or nurse cells because they will be nursing the developing sperm throughout. That is, they will provide nutrition to the developing sperm. A germinal epithelium of the sperms produce hoye thakibo. During that whole period of development, the Sertoli cells will be providing nutrition to them. So, a cell to yare eta cell. Eta cell কেনেকৈ ডিভাইড কৰিব হেতু দেখুৱাই আছো, and all other cells will follow the same process. ইয়াৰ পৰা এটা সেল লৈ মই আঁকি দেখুৱাইছো. Suppose this is a germinal epithelium. Now this cell is diploid, since it is a normal somatic cell, to diploid হয়. It first কি কৰিব, it will divide by mitosis. Mitosis ere kiba baru divide koribo. So eta cellor pora yar eta cellor pora we will be having a number of cells. Eta cellor pora kebatao cells produce hobo. And then each of this cell yar prottekta cell ki koribo, they will grow in size. Dangor hoye jabo by accumulation of nutrients. Nutrients ni accumulate kore dangor hoye jabo size. And then they undergo meiotic division. Meiotic division, as you all know, is reductional division. जो chromosome number to आधा हो जाए, it is reduced to half, and it comprises of two sets of division called meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 and then meiosis 2. So, यार आमी germinal epithelium or pora जेतो diploid asile twice and asile आमी एटा की पालो haploid cells पालो. These cells are called spermatids. Spermatids, right? Now एक गोटे प्रोसेस जो कमी तीनटा फेज और डिवाइड कर दी. In this phase, the cell divided by mitosis. ता माने cells और germinal epithelium और numbers increase होइसिले. So this phase is called multiplicative phase. This phase is called multiplicative phase. And these cells are called spermatogonia. These cells are called spermatogonia. तार पिছত की होल next stage of our division নাই হোৱা, next stage of অকল grow কৰিলে cell. So this is the growth phase. This is the growth phase where the spermatogonia grows in size to form. This is called primary spermatocyte. This is called primary spermatocyte. तार पिছত की होल primary spermatocyte खिनि they undergo meiosis. Meiosis already कलो दुटा stage of है, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So first time divide करोते जितनी cells produce हो they are called secondary spermatocytes. और तार पिছত second time divide करोते जितनी haploid cells हमें पालो, they are called spermatids. And this process or this stage where meiosis takes place is called maturation phase. This phase is called maturation phase. So we have completed the first part of spermatogenesis. First part to क्या है? Formation of spermatids. So हमें germinal epithelium और spermatids पाई बोलो. Right? Spermatids हमें पाई बोलो. किंतु process to complete हुआ नहीं. और एक step थकी बोलो. Now why one more step is required? These spermatids are haploid. हमें जानो gametes haploid cells है. Already हमें haploid cells पालो. But why another stage is required? A step to क्यों required? Because this is a step of differentiation. माने spermatids खिनी non-motile है, round in structure है. They cannot move. Non-motile है, move करिबो নোৱাৰে. But sperms, we know, they are motile. Sperms are move करिबो লাগিব. So there must be some changes in the structure of these spermatids, which will allow them to move. কিছুমান এনেকুৱা changes আহিব spermatidsত যিবোৰে spermatids খিনিক মুভ কৰিবলৈ হেল্প কৰিব আৰু যেতিয়া মুভেবল হৈ যাব মটাইল হৈ যাব ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো দেন we call it sperms so কি হ'ব ইয়াৰ পাছত কিছুমান চেঞ্জেছ আহিব changes অহাৰ পাছত each of these spermatid will become motile motile cells called sperms and this process of differentiation of non-motile spermatids into motile sperms is called spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis ki hoy? Spermiogenesis non-motile spermatids khinik motile sperms hole convert kora eta or transform kora eta process. So these two steps together, first thing step, multiplicative phase, growth phase and maturation phase, they are under this first point, that is formation of spermatids. The formation of spermatids can be divided into 3 phases: multiplicative phase, growth phase and maturation phase. And when all these 3 processes are done, the spermatid undergoes differentiation and that process is called spermiogenesis. So is it clear? Now let us see what changes take place during spermiogenesis. Ematro kolu je spermiogenesis sot ki hoy non-motile sperms kini change ho jay, transform ho jay into motile sperms. Let us see what those changes are. Spermiogenesis. So how can we define the process? Spermiogenesis is a process by which non-motile spermatids, round non-motile spermatids are transformed into elongated motile sperms. Okay? So here to full definition. The changes ki ahibo. Changes ki ahibo ekoni jodi sperm or structure sound tarpor ami gom pai jam. This portion is the head of the sperm, this is the body and this is the tail. Head, body and tail. Head of the damar nucleus, okay? And there is a cap-like structure which is very important. This is called acrosome. This cap-like structure is called acrosome. This is very important. This acrosome, it is formed by Golgi bodies, accumulation of the or aggregation of the Golgi bodies of the cell. Ya jiman Golgi bodies asile gutekhini log lagi acrosome to form kore. And this acrosomal vesicle contains tar bhitorot ki thake hydrolytic enzymes thake. Hydrolytic enzymes. I'll explain you later when I teach you fertilization why this acrosome is so important. Okay. For now, we know that the head of the sperm contains a cat-like, bears a cat-like structure called acrosome, and this acrosome contains hydrolytic enzymes. Okay. Then there will be two centrioles. This is the proximal centriole and this is the distal centriole. The distal centriole extends into a filamentous structure which runs till the end of the tail. यहाँ पर start करें एकदम tail और लगे थे. A distal centriole को extend हुए, ऐसा filament form करे. And this filament actually forms the support system of the sperm. हमारे जो है कि skeletal system तो हमारा support हमारा body support करी है से ठीक तरीके ये तो sperm to support system है, and this is called axial filament. This is called axial filament. Then, so body portion to be centriole to extend to distal. This is the distal centriole. Distal centriole to extend to it form axial filament form. And also, jiman mitochondria cell gutekini spiral filamentul চাৰিওফালে লগ লাগি it forms a spiral around the axial filament called mitochondrial spiral. গুটেখিনি jiman mitochondria asile gutekini mitochondria log lagi, suppose this is the axial filament, all the mitochondria forms a spiral around this axial filament, and this spiral is called mitochondrial spiral. Your form whole mitochondrial spiral too, because I told you sperms are motile. Sperm swim koribole bahut energy dorkar hobo, aur hekhine energy ko pura hibo mitochondrial spiral khini produce koribo. And then this is the tail portion. Tail or bikhine kunai axial filament to ase aur tar surrounding cell or membrane. So you see what changes have taken place here. Etu spermatid asile aur yar etu amar sperm. So sperm or spermatid or majot ki changes structure ek number kotha gote structure to change hoy. Etu round shape or asile etu keneকুৱা হৈ গ'ল elongated with a distinct head, body and tail. Inter distinct region থকা এটা elongated structure. Then মাজতে এটা হেড পোর্শন এটা ডাঙৰ নিউক্লিয়াস আছে, আৰু নিউক্লিয়াসৰ ওপৰত এটা ক্যাপ লাইক স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ আছে. ক্যাপ লাইক স্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো কিন্তু ইয়াত নাছিলে. সো দিস ইজ অলসো এ চেঞ্জ. acrosome form হ'ল. Then mitochondrial spiral form হ'ল. axial filament form হ'ল. already side change পাই গ'ল. acrosome form হ'ল, axial filament form হ'ল, mitochondrial spiral form হ'ল, and overall the structure to change হ'ল. Moreover কি হয় ইয়াত যিখিনি liquid content excess যদি কিবা liquid content থাকে ইয়াত excess ইয়াত কি হ'ব সেই excess liquid content to it will get rid of that excess content. মানে হেখিনি উলাই যাব, excess যদি liquid content কিবা থাকে হেখিনি উলাই যাব, so that কি হ'ব sperm to অলপ light হৈ যায়, so that it becomes lighter and lightweight will help it in moving easily. Lightweight or karone easy movement. So these are the changes that has taken place during spermiogenesis. Spermatid or sperm form hote ei pasta major changes ami palu. And if you are asked to draw the structure of the sperm, that is a very important question. This is the structure. Next, we will study about the process of